at the bottom of the river. The devil has come.
The front of the chair looks awesome. I really love the pattern, more specifically the extra stitching on the backrest and seat. It looks sweet here. The back of the chair, however, is disappointing. Instead of just leaving it bare, GT Racing decided to slap this. We'll talk more about those in a second. Anyways, moving on to the headrest and lumbar cushion. They're both matching the aesthetic here. They look really nice and they feel great. Whatever color you opt for, expect matching colors on everything, including the wheels. Now, the wheels glide smoothly on both carpet and hardwood. This time around, GT Racing has listened to the feedback and they've upgraded to an aluminum base, which is great. It's definitely going to last much longer than the plastic one they used in the past. This chair is rocking that same metal frame found in the old one, which is still holding up really well after almost a year, so durability is no issue there. The chair is also covered with the same PU leather material used in their older models. It feels great, looks good, cleans really well, and it holds up nicely. The padding on the chair feels the same as the old models as well, which isn't a bad thing at all. The padding is on the firmer side of things, but it does end up molding to your shape. It does have the same padding. I'm not sure if this is memory foam or what, but they feel really good. One complaint would be that I would like to see a strap for the lumbar pillow like the headrest pillow has, so we can attach it to the chair in a fixed position instead of having to constantly readjust it. Speaking of adjusting things, the armrest can be adjusted inwards, outwards, and up and down. The adjustments to the armrest feel like they've been upgraded here. It's hard to explain, but it just feels like better when adjusting, like they have more tension, less give. I don't know, they feel good. We're still getting the same recline feature that allows you to lay completely flat, same rock feature as well. Both can be locked into a fixed position. It's really nice to be able to... The speakers here are what's really unique about this chair. Without them, this is pretty much just GT Racing's other model. Now, while I don't have a specific use for speakers in my chair, I can see how this would be appealing for some. Any gamer that plays a lot of single-player games and doesn't require a headset could benefit from this feature. The speakers are Bluetooth, which is good because that means your chair isn't tethered to a wall. Instead, you get this small box that acts as the Bluetooth receiver. Now, this box is what you'll remove and charge when it comes time to. When that time does come, you're looking at about a 2-hour charge time. With that, you can expect close to 6 hours of playback. The sound these speakers